Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to this beginner's workout. We're going to do a warm-up first without the hula hoop. So you can leave your hoops at the side and then we're going to go straight into the exercise. Just keep moving your bodies. If the hula hoop falls, don't worry about it. Just pick it back up. It's all about having fun. Shall we do it? So this warm-up is primarily focused on warming up our shoulders. So we're going to start with some arm circles. Take your arms out. Here we go.
He was a famous man on Main Street.
Then we're going to take it bigger.
And when the drummer played that downbeat, well, they would dance the night away.
And backwards.
They would jitter, swing, and Lindy. And they would yell and scream for more.
And bigger.
So when they tried to close the dance hall, the crowd would start to
Shoulder
roll.
rolls.
Every song that he would play was better than the last. When the solo came his way, his horn
You know what's coming? We're
would
going to go
really
backwards.
blast like shoot, 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 de boogie. Scoop, 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 de boogie. Shoot, 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 de boogie. Shoo-ba-doo-wop-da-doo.
Okay, let's take the arm across
Shoot, shoot,
and release.
shoot, de boogie.
I think we should add in a shimmy there.
Scoop, scoop, de boogie.
Yes.
Shoot, 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 de boogie. Shoo-ba-doo-wop-da-doo-ay.
Really pull the arm across. Woo! We're going to do some shoulder shrugs. Here we go. Take it back. Let's speed it up, shall we?
Shoot, 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 de boogie.
Woo!
Scoop, 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 de boogie.
Woo!
Shoot, 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 de boogie. Shoo-ba-doo-wop-da-doo-ay.
Alternate.
Shoot, 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 de boogie. Scoop, 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 de boogie.
Okay, next move one. We're going to float the arms, really release them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4.
His horn would really blast.
Here we go. 1.
Shoot, 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 de boogie. Scoop, 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 de boogie. Shoot, 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 de boogie. Shoo-ba-doo-doo-wop-da-doo-ay. Shoot, 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 de boogie.
Sway the arms.
Scoop, 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 de boogie. Shoot, 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 de boogie.
Give me a finisher.
Pose.
Okay, so let's grab our hoops. We're going to start in our set position and we're going to take the arm out and bring it back in. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in. 2, 3, 4. And again. So we're going to do single arm reaches.
You are my summertime love in the faraway place. With your loving soul.
Let's change our arms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're no good for me. It's what
Take
they're
your
all gonna
time.
say.
You're going to give me 2 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Take it out. Last one. Remember to use your arms for momentum. Now we're going to do alternate arm reaches. So one arm in, other arm. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Yes. Give me 4 more. Two more. We're going to take the arms up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Give me 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got this. Come on, stay with me. Last one this side. And down. Change arms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. Last one. Remember, now we're going to use those arms back and forth for momentum. We're going to do alternate arm reaches. To one arm, to the other, then singles. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alternate single. 1. And down. Last change. 1. Amazing. Fantastic work, team. And breathe. If you grab your hoops, we're going to do a basic stretch. So make sure that your feet are slightly wider than shoulder width apart. We're going to take the hoop up and we're literally just going to lift our chest and enjoy that stretch. Then from there, we're going to take the hoops around. We've worked the shoulders quite a lot. So take the hoop. Big open stretch. Lovely. And the other side, change direction. Oh my gosh, I'm clicking in all places. And another click. Is it going to go again? No. Take the arm across. My arm is shaking. Lovely, and the other side. Excellent. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload one of these workouts. Drop a comment below on how you found this, and yeah, let me know what you'd like to see more of. Full in.